Autism spectrum disorder, ASD, is a developmental disorder that affects communication and behavior. Although autism can be diagnosed at any age, it is described as a developmental disorder because symptoms generally appear in the first 2 years of life. Also, autism is known as a spectrum disorder because there is wide variation in the type and severity of symptoms people experience. What are the signs and symptoms of ASD? From the aspect of social communication or interaction behaviors, symptoms may include making little or inconsistent eye contact, having a tendency not to look at or listen to people, doesn't speak or has delayed speech, or loses previous ability to say words or sentences, having difficulties with the back and forth of conversation, having an unusual tone of voice that may sound sing-song or flat and robot-like, and lacks facial expression. Next, in terms of pattern of behavior, symptoms may include people with ASD may perform repetitive movements, such as rocking, spinning or hand flapping. They will easily getting upset by slight changes in a routine, having unusually sensitive to light, sound or touch, yet may be indifferent to pain or temperature. Has specific food preference such as eating only a few foods, or refusing foods with a certain texture. And lastly, repeating words or phrases, this behavior called as echolalia. There are no exact causes of ASD, but studies suggest that genes can act together with influences from the environment to affect development in ways that lead to ASD. Although scientists are still trying to understand why some people develop ASD and others don't, some factors that increase the risk of developing ASD include sibling with ASD, having certain genetic conditions like Down syndrome, Fragile X syndrome, Rett syndrome and more, being born with a very low birth weight, and also having older parents. For ASD, there is no cure, but treatment can help. Treatments includes behavioral, psychological, communication and educational therapy and medication to control the symptoms. Earlier treatment is very important. Get treatment immediately if there are symptoms as mentioned before. Thank you for watching.